Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we will study what is magnetism. What is magnetism? Turn to page 197. Please do highlight with me. Magnet, when you think of magnet, the magnet like this may be or can be large or may be small. Okay, a magnet can be large or maybe can be small. Okay, what is the meaning of what is the meaning of magnet? Magnet is any material that attract iron and materials that contain iron. What is the meaning of magnet? Magnet is any material that attract iron and materials that contain iron. So the magnet can attract any object contain iron, or magnet can attract any iron. Okay. So, discovering magnet. Ancient Greek discovered a rock. This rock is called magnetite. Magnetite attract materials containing iron. Okay, how Greek discovering magnet? Ancient Greek discovered a rock. This rock is called magnetite, and this rock attracted materials containing iron. Okay, the rock also attracted and repelled other materials. Okay, attraction or repulsion of magnetic materials is called magnetism. Is called magnetism. Magnet have the same properties as magnetite rock. Magnet have the same properties of as magnetite rock. As magnetite rock. Okay. Let's highlight the important things. A magnet, meaning of a magnet. Magnet is a material that attract iron and materials that contain iron. Okay, and the magnet can be large or can be small, like this magnet, and this magnet is large. Okay, ancient Greek discovered a rock. This rock is called magnetite, and magnetite attracted materials containing iron. Magnet, properties of magnet attract iron. Magnet attract iron and materials that contain iron. Magnet attract or repel other magnets. In addition, one end of a magnet will always point north when allowed to swing freely. It's very important. Uh, on magnet, end one end of a magnet will always point north when allowed to swing freely. When allow the magnet to swinging freely, okay, always point north. Always point north. Okay. Explain. explain, use what you know about the magnet to explain why this scene is impossible. Why this scene is impossible. What is this? This is a magnet, okay? It's a large magnet. And what is this? This is a wood. So this scene, this scene is impossible. Why? Because, who can answer? Yes, excellent. Because this magnet attract only iron or the materials that containing iron. So and wood doesn't contain iron. Okay, so this scene is impossible because a magnet cannot attract wood. Okay, magnet only can attract iron or other materials that containing iron. Summarize the properties of magnetite. Properties of magnetite: a magnet attract iron and materials that contain iron. Magnet attract or repel other magnets. One end of a magnet will always point north when allowed to swing freely. Now I know that properties of magnet are the magnets, okay, the same. Okay, but this scene is impossible. Why? Because wood does not contain iron, so it cannot be picked up by a magnet. Okay, please write the answer. Write the answer in your book. Write down and summarize the properties of a magnetite. A magnetite attract iron and attract iron and attract or repel other magnetic rocks. And this is the properties of a magnet. Turn to the next page. How do magnetic poles interact? Each magnet, each magnet has two poles. Each pole is called magnetic pole. Two poles, one pole is called south pole, and the another pole is called north pole. Okay, magnetic poles that are unlike attract. North with south attract because north and south unlike. So magnetic poles that are unlike attract each other, and magnetic poles that are alike repel each other, like North Pole with North Pole repel, okay, and South Pole and with bring with another South Pole repel each other. Like poles repel, like north with north repel, and but south with north, unlike poles attract. Let's do. Let's solve some questions about this lesson. Number one, two two south magnetic poles brought near each other. Two south, so repel each other or attract or cancel or magnetize. The same, two south. So it will so repel or attract or cancel. Yes, excellent. Uh, repel, repel each other. Okay. Repel each other. Repel each other. Number two, a north magnetic pole brought near a south. North with south. So unlike, so attract or repel. Yes, excellent. Attracts the South Pole. B. Number three, two north magnetic poles brought near each other. Two north, so attract, cancel or repel. Yes, excellent. Attract the same, so repel each other. Repel each other. A south magnetic pole brought near a north. Yes, excellent. Attract the north pole. Any material, okay, turn to the next page. Magnetic force. Let's listen. Okay, but he do highlight here about the meaning of magnetic force. Okay, and a force is a push or a pull that can cause an object to move. Okay, it's very important to highlight here. Here, any material that exerts a magnetic force is a magnet. Okay, and a magnet a magnetic force. A force is a push or pull that can cause an object to move. Okay. Number five, any material that exert a magnetic force is considered as a magnet. True or false? True or false? Yes, excellent. True. Number six, like all other forces, a magnetic force is a gravitational force. No, a magnetic force is a any push or pull. Any push or pull. Number six, push or pull. Yeah. Push push or pull. Number seven, the area between the poles of a magnet has the strongest effect. Number seven, number seven, eight. Number seven, eight. The area at the poles, not between eight, not between eight. Sorry, at the poles of a magnet has the strongest effect. Number eight, magnet attract wood and materials that contain iron. Magnet attract wood? No, attract iron. False. Attract iron. Attract iron. Number nine, when freely swinging one end of a magnet always point east? No. False. North. 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 Okay. Number 10, magnet have the same properties as a sedimentary rock? No, false, because not sedimentary rock is magnetite rock. Magnetite rock, not sedimentary rock. Magnetite rock. Magnetite rock. Okay. Thanks for all. Please study hard and check your homeworks on Class Dojo. See you later. Goodbye.